They're small, they're silent, and one sting could end you. From hidden jungles to your own backyard. Welcome to nature's deadliest killers. Anopheles Mosquito. Smaller than sesame seed, yet deadlier than a battlefield. It weighs less than a grain of rice, yet has killed more humans than all wars combined. The Anopheles mosquito doesn't just pierce your skin, it injects microscopic assassins, malaria parasites. Inside your blood, they multiply silently, attacking your liver, your red cells, until fever and chills become your last companions. Snail, no bigger than your thumb, yet armed with a perfect harpoon. Beneath its patterned shell hides a weapon more advanced than any syringe, a hollow, venomous harpoon. In a blink, it fires into flesh, delivering a cocktail of toxins that shuts down nerves and breathing. Victims feel no pain, because the venom steals it away before stealing life itself. Golden poison dart frog. Tiny enough to sit on a coin, yet its touch can kill thousands. Shining like molten gold, this tiny frog carries bacterotoxin, the deadliest natural poison known. A single gram could kill 200,000 mice. Indigenous hunters once dipped darts into its skin to bring down monkeys in seconds. No bite, no sting, just a deadly touch. Bullet ant. Almost an inch long, yet it delivers agony unlike anything else. Deep in the Amazon, this ant delivers the most painful sting on Earth, rated a 4.0 on the Schmidt Pain Index. Victims describe it as walking over flaming coals with a rusty nail in your foot. The agony can last 24 hours, and yet tribes use it in initiation rituals, forcing boys to wear gloves filled with hundreds of them. Black widow spider. Small enough to hide in your hand, yet one bite can paralyze you. A small body marked with a crimson hourglass, nature's warning sign. Her venom is a neurotoxin 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's. It floods the body, causing muscle spasm, paralysis, and sometimes heart failure. Most victims never see her coming, only the web and then the bite. Asian giant hornet. Over 2 inches long, its sting can melt flesh. The world's largest hornet, armed with a 1/4-inch stinger. It sprays flesh-melting venom into wounds while its powerful jaws tear enemies apart. A few dozen can destroy a beehive in hours, decapitating every bee inside. To humans, the sting brings searing pain and, for some, death. Freshwater snail. Just a few centimeters long, yet it carries killers inside. Slow, silent, and deadly. This snail carries parasitic flatworms that slip into your skin in tropical waters. They migrate through your bloodstream, invading organs, sometimes for years, before causing organ failure or death. Over 200 million people are infected each year. African Deathstalker scorpion. Slim and yellow, but one sting can scramble your nerves. Yellow and slender, but armed with a venom that scrambles your nervous system. A single sting can cause convulsions, flu in the lungs, and respiratory collapse. Children, and the elderly have only minutes to get help. Pygmy Rattlesnake. Barely 2 feet long, this rattlesnake blends perfectly into the forest floor. Its venom destroys flesh from within, and the pain can last for weeks. It warns with a faint rattle, but in the wrong moment. That warning is the last sound you'll hear before the strike. Amazonian giant centipede. Over a foot long, with legs like curved blades, it hunts in total darkness, wrapping around bats, lizards, even birds. It injects venom that keeps prey alive but helpless, eaten piece by piece in the shadows. Ah! Which one fascinated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next deadly encounter.